Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2018 Porsche 911 GT3. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's door. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on this door at all. Everything looks perfect. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks excellent. And the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler looks perfect. No scratches on it, no chips. And the back bumper looks really good as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect as well. And the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger door. Not seeing any scratches or dents on this door at all. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks really good. No scratches on the fender, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look inside. And we're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Okay, everything here looks perfect as well. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. All of the buttons look good. The radio and AC buttons are perfect. Also, the performance buttons look good as well. Let's have a look at the steering wheel, and we're going to check out the leather and stitching. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.